What if one of the greatest creatures in Earth's history was also one of the greatest mysteries? Dinosaurs. Massive animals said to have ruled this planet for more than 160 million years. We see them everywhere, in movies, museums, books, video games. But there's something strange about dinosaurs that most people never think about. No human being has ever seen one alive. Everything we know about them comes from fossils, broken bones buried deep underground for millions of years. And somehow, from those fragments, scientists rebuilt entire creatures. But how accurate are those reconstructions? Could dinosaurs have looked completely different from what we imagine today? The story began centuries ago when people first discovered enormous bones hidden beneath Earth's surface. At first, nobody understood what they were. Some believed they belonged to giants. Others thought they were dragons from ancient legends. Then, during the 1800s, scientists started studying these fossils seriously, and slowly, a new idea was born. A world before humans. A world ruled by giant creatures unlike anything alive today. The word dinosaur means terrible lizard. And the moment scientists revealed these creatures to the public, the world became obsessed. But there was one major problem. Most dinosaur fossils were incomplete. A tooth here, part of a skull there, a few scattered bones. From those pieces, scientists had to imagine the rest. The skin, the eyes, the sounds, even the way they moved. And over time, dinosaur designs kept changing. The dinosaurs people imagined 100 years ago look completely different from the ones we see today. Which raises a fascinating question. How much do we truly know about creatures that vanished millions of years before humans existed? And what if some of what we believe about dinosaurs is still wrong? When you look at a dinosaur in a movie, it feels real. The skin textures, the muscles, the roar, the movement. But the truth is, scientists never actually saw a dinosaur. Everything had to be reconstructed from fossils, and fossils themselves are extremely rare. In most cases, scientists do not find complete skeletons. They discover fragments buried underground after millions of years of pressure, heat, and erosion. Sometimes only a single tooth is enough to identify a species. Other times, an entire dinosaur is recreated from only a few bones. That may sound impossible, but scientists compare fossils with living animals, birds, reptiles, large predators, using anatomy, muscle structure, and computer simulations. They attempt to rebuild creatures that disappeared long ago. But there's still a lot they cannot know for certain. For example, what color were dinosaurs? Nobody knows. Did they roar like monsters in movies? Probably not. Some scientists believe certain dinosaurs sounded more like birds than reptiles. And perhaps the biggest surprise of all, many dinosaurs may have had feathers. This completely changed how scientists imagined them. For decades, dinosaurs were shown as giant, scaly reptiles. Now, modern discoveries suggest some looked more like enormous birds. Science continues evolving every year. Every fossil changes the picture, sometimes even rewriting everything scientists once believed. And that is what makes dinosaurs so fascinating. They are not just creatures from the past. They are an unfinished puzzle humanity is still trying to solve. Because dinosaurs lived so far in the past, some people question whether they truly existed at all. They ask, how can scientists know so much from only bones? Why are complete skeletons so rare? And why do dinosaur designs constantly change? These questions created countless theories over the years. Some claim dinosaurs were exaggerated by scientists. Others believe fossils belonged to different animals entirely. And on the internet, some even suggest dinosaurs were invented to control public imagination. But science strongly disagrees with these theories. Dinosaur fossils have been discovered all over the planet. North America, South America, Africa, Asia, even Antarctica. Scientists have uncovered dinosaur footprints frozen in stone, preserved eggs, skin impressions, and massive skeletons larger than buses. Modern technology allows fossils to be scanned in incredible detail. Researchers can study bone structure, movement, and even traces of ancient diseases. But perhaps the most convincing evidence comes from birds. Today, many scientists believe modern birds are direct descendants of dinosaurs, meaning, in a strange way, dinosaurs may still exist around us. Every pigeon, every eagle, every chicken could carry a small piece of a world that vanished millions of years ago. And maybe that's why dinosaurs continue fascinating humanity, because despite all our discoveries, their world still feels mysterious, still feels distant, and still hides secrets buried beneath Earth itself. For millions of years, dinosaurs dominated Earth. Some grew larger than buildings. Others became deadly hunters capable of terrifying speed and power. They survived volcanic eruptions, climate changes, and shifting continents. It seemed nothing could stop them. Until one day, everything changed. Around 66 million years ago, a gigantic asteroid struck Earth. Scientists believe it was nearly 10 kilometers wide, traveling faster than a bullet. The impact unleashed unimaginable destruction. Massive shock waves tore across the planet. Wildfires spread through forests. The oceans created giant tsunamis, and dust filled the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for months, maybe even years. Plants began dying. Temperatures collapsed. Food chains broke apart. And slowly, most dinosaurs disappeared forever, but not all of them. Some smaller species survived. Over millions of years, they evolved into birds, which means the age of dinosaurs may have never completely ended. And perhaps that is the strangest part of all. Dinosaurs are not just ancient monsters from movies. They were real animals that once ruled Earth for longer than humans can even imagine. Yet, despite everything science has discovered, we still do not fully understand them. Every new fossil reveals another mystery, another question, another missing piece of a world lost in time and somewhere beneath Earth's surface right now. Another discovery may already be waiting. A discovery that could change everything we think we know about dinosaurs forever.